Hey guys, welcome back to Zekon where it's all about fun. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, turn post notification that you can be notified whenever we make a new upload. No, please don't. One is missing. One is stuck in the wheel, maybe. Nope. I think I'm gonna put it with it. No, what? Red is missing. Hey, right here. And let's crash it down. Okay, ready, go. Ready, set, go. What? I see them. What? Did you see that? What's up, guys? Make it. No. What? I want to move in. I'm just moving this block here. Oh. What? And I get that. I hit my head. I'm gonna get this thing. Let's go! Let's go, Aquaman. You're gonna go on the car. Make sure you don't fall off. I'm gonna drive you off. Let's go. What? Aquaman, just turn yourself back way and just look behind the world. Why you just backflip off? Stand on, stand up, stand up. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Stand up. You're not standing up. Let's get someone else. Yeah. Else. It's Batman. Ooh. Let's go, Batman. You're gonna stand right here. You're just look at the way. I can manage that. No! I can Batman just fall down. And if I put it right there? No. Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah. No. Whoa. What? Batman, you shouldn't fall off. This one is there. He can't fit on. I hope he doesn't fall. What? Come back here. I said go back and it's going up. Don't know why. Maybe it's because he doesn't